Hi everyone, Coach Bijing Akot here. Kasama ko ngayon si Coach Chikoy Capistrano.
Welcome PYD family. We're back here in Lukban, Quezon, Bati Saramin Resort and Hotel. Malapit na coach ang aming 6th International Dreamers Basketball Challenge, aka
Dreamers Cup. So Coach, alam mo, maganda yung pagbabago, no?
Yes.
Pakita muna natin yung venue, di ba? Yan. Kaya ano ang ginawa mo para sa paghahanda sa ating Dreamers Cup?
sa Dreamers Cup this coming March 14 to 17, malapit na. We added additional scoreboard and we repaired and repainted our basketball court. Still, it's SPU or polyurethane rubber. We have other venues, which is Kamay ni Jesus basketball court, and also we are going to use the Mamba basketball court. Yes.
So, for everyone, there will be 10 foreign teams na pupunta po ngayon dito sa Bati Saramin. There will be juniors division, you call it JV team, and yung seniors division, you call it varsity team. So, abangan nyo po kung ano mga mangyayari sa the next few days para sa ating Dreamers Cup.
Okay, we are all excited. See you soon, coaches. See you soon, PYD family. Coach Bijing.
Ingat po tayo,
Thank
mga
you.
winners.